Here's the problem with legal documents. You know, contracts, loan agreements, wills, trusts, that sort of thing. They can be really complex, and with each new transaction or case that comes along, you have to edit them to reflect all the new circumstances and information that go into the documents. Searching, replacing, cutting and pasting, manually fixing pronouns and verbs. Not only does the process waste time and resources, it's also easy to make mistakes, which can lead to all kinds of problems. The solution is HotDocs. HotDocs works right inside your word processor and allows you to transform ordinary documents into HotDocs apps, which are powerful templates designed to generate new, customized versions of the underlying documents. To begin, you insert simple variables for names, dates, and numbers. Then you use computed variables for numbers and dates that are based on calculations. HotDocs also allows you to define business rules that control the inclusion of specific clauses. With HotDocs, you have the power and flexibility to transform any document or set of documents, no matter how lengthy or complex they may be, into easy-to-use HotDocs templates. In use, a HotDocs template presents a sequence of interactive data-gathering forms, called an interview. Based on the answer to any question, using branching logic, HotDocs can present other questions, or even entire forms full of questions. HotDocs can even assist users in answering the questions correctly by validating input. Once you've transformed your documents into HotDocs templates, they can be used on the desktop, in your own server environment, or in the HotDocs cloud. HotDocs can